A wonderful good evening to everyone. This is me, Bhavna Sharma, journalist at Cuisine, and today it's absolutely amazing to be present in Peruvian Gastronomy Festival and an honor to be present with the ambassador of Peru, Javier Paulinich. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, we would like to know from you how this idea of this gastronomy festival came to you.
Well, I have been almost 8 years in two different tenures, and I know for sure that Indian people love food.
That's our priority.
As well as the Peruvian people.
Oh, wonderful.
Then I started to think, why not to organize a Peruvian food festival?
And food connects people.
Definitely, people to people diplomacy, we call it.
True.
Yes, and I'm very happy that I think it was a success event this evening. And of course, we have non-veg and veg dishes.
Yeah. So, because I being particularly a vegetarian, so it was lovely to have the vegetarian Peruvian dishes. So, what's the most favorite one that you like today?
Ceviche.
Okay.
Ceviche is a raw fish marinated by lemon.
Okay.
And ceviche of mushrooms as well for vegetarians.
Oh, okay.
Was wonderful. In terms of soups, a quinoa soup.
Yeah, I loved it.
For vegetarian is the best, I think so.
Right.
And well, as India, we have 100 of dishes.
So, gastronomy is somewhere a new age careers today. What message you would like to give to the Indian children and how they can, come in this field and, have a great career just like Chef Castillo and, their parents can also, support them in this kind of field?
Well, in fact, food is an expression of the culture.
Right.
And India is such an important culture country as well as Peru. And through food, we can communicate in a way. Yes. And of course, we know that cordon bleu is in Gurgaon, is perhaps the best university on food, as well as in Peru. We have the only Latin America cordon bleu is in Lima, Peru.
Okay.
That's another connection with India, Peru and India.
Oh, okay, lovely. So, sir, you are at such a higher position. You are a diplomat, and being in so many years, you have been working for cross-cultural connections. But if you went back to 30 or 40 years ago when you were young, what is the thing that you are missing or you would like to have again in you?
Well, in terms of food, of cuisine, 30, 40 years ago, the Peruvian food was not so well known like now.
Right.
I'm very, very happy that with the time, worldwide now is well-known Peruvian food.
True.
Like Indian food, by the way.
Yeah, definitely. Lovely talking to you, sir.
Thank
we would
you.
like to have more insights from you in the coming festivals that you are organizing, and thank you, everyone.